Today we're making chocolate strawberry smoothie
and honey.
A little ice. Now let's try.
Let's try it.
Does anybody like it?
Yeah.
And today we're making chocolate strawberry smoothie. And here is strawberry.
Here is chocolate chips.
Hemp seeds.
Bananas.
Almond butter.
Honey.
And almond milk.
And a little bit of ice.
Let's put strawberries. That's strawberries.
Chocolate chips.
Hemp seeds. I love hemp seeds.
Bananas.
Almond butter. Go super slow. Use spatula if it's hard to do.
And honey.
And almond milk. And a little ice. Now let's blend it to spice. I'm going. The cappy cap. There you go. Let's open like a. Let's open like a. Let's try.
Let's try it.
Now let's try.
Let's try it.
I like how the chocolate and strawberries and the banana.
I like the chocolate chips and the strawberry and the bananas.
Does anybody like it?
Yeah, I like the chocolate chips and the bananas and the strawberries.
I said the same thing. Chocolate, strawberries, and banana. Also a little bit of ice. Actually tastes like that. The texture is like powder sugar.
Are you guys gonna make more videos?
Yeah.
Thanks to the producer, me. Bye, ladies and gentlemen.
Bye. See you next time.
My video. I'll get some more.
So see you next time. Bye.
Make sure
you hit that bell.
It's made from love.
Bye. See you next time. Bye.
Here is strawberry,
chocolate chips,
hemp seeds,
bananas,
almond butter,
honey,
and almond milk,
and a little bit of ice.
Meow. 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 Don't forget to see Cooking for Kids TV and my videos. Bye.